In this short tutorial, I will show you how to remove your WhatsApp account from other devices. Sometimes, you may have used your WhatsApp account on a friend's phone or another device. If you want to make sure your account is secure, it's a good idea to log out of those devices. This way, no one else can access your messages or personal information. To get started, open up the WhatsApp application and then tap Settings. After that, tap Link Devices. This will show you all the devices that are currently linked to your account. If you see any device that you don't recognize or no longer use, you can easily remove it. To do that, tap and select the device that you want to remove. Then tap Log Out. And then tap Log Out one more time to confirm it. Now the device no longer has access to my WhatsApp account. Additionally, you can enable two-step verification for extra security. To do that, go back to the Settings page and tap Account. Then tap Two-step verification. And then tap Turn On. What you want to do next is create a 6-digit PIN that you can remember. Confirm the PIN by typing it again. You can also add an email address to your account. If you ever forget your PIN, the email will help you recover it easily. Once you've enabled two-step verification, WhatsApp will occasionally ask you for this PIN as a reminder, helping to ensure that only you can access your account. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.